This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 2/5/2024. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2023 Stadium Club and Compact 6-box break mix. Alright, so let's do our numbered cards first. Alright, this one wasn't numbered. It is an orange sepia. Dwight Gooden. We've got Ezekiel Tovar. That is to 199. Logan O'Hoppe is to 199. And a Fernando Tatis to 75. You're going to get all of the base and the reds and the blacks. All right, autos. Levon Soto. Dermis Garcia. Winton Bernard. Drew Waters. Ken Waldachuk. Michael Stefanik. Brian Reynolds. And Josh Winkowski. And then this monster right here. Albert Pujols, Lone Star Signatures. And then numbering 3 of 10. Congrats there, Dan B. Alright, guys, that'll do it. Appreciate you filling it up. We'll get it shipped out in the next shipping batch.